Good afternoon from Power Wash Store of Central PA. This seems to be the season that everybody wants to get their rigs ready for the upcoming spring cleaning season here in the Northeast. So we got a bunch of trucks and some skids in here for service. This one here, we've added some Flow Pro downstream remotes to this truck. He's got dual pressure washers. So your Flow Pros are over there. We also added a 100-gallon slimline bleach tank there. We added a couple more soap tanks for him. We're doing a little bit of reworking some plumbing, adding a Tsunami air dryer for his soft wash system there. So just doing a little rework there. We've got this one that was just brought into us. This one just came in today. Again, we're just going to be going over everything, freshening up all the hoses, replacing barbs, PVC fittings, bulkheads, filters, all that stuff. That's important stuff that you want to replace now when you're not working, so that when you are working, a couple dollars in parts isn't stopping you from collecting a couple $100 check. And this one over here, kind of the same deal. We're just going over everything. Going to be replacing all of the plumbing hoses, electrical, barbs, bulkhead fittings, any of that wearable stuff, just to get him ready for the upcoming season here as well. There's still more time to get your rig ready. If you're looking for a spot here in the shop, give us a call, 717-378-2276. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.